Welcome to Sunnydale Elementary School. Today we are going to follow Ms. Smith and her wonderful students as they learn and have fun together. The camera transitions to a classroom where Ms. Smith is welcoming her students. Children are chatting and taking their seats. Ms. Smith says, "Good morning, class. Are you ready for an exciting day of learning?" The children respond enthusiastically, "Good morning, Ms. Smith. Yes, we are." The children sit in a circle on the rug, and Ms. Smith stands in the middle. "Let's start our day with a morning song. Everyone ready? Let's sing our hello song." They all sing the hello song together, clapping and smiling. The camera shows different activities: children counting blocks, reading books, and drawing pictures. The narrator explains, Ms. Smith helps her students learn new things every day. Today they're practicing counting, reading stories, and using their imaginations to create beautiful artwork. The scene shifts to recess time with children playing outside, running around, swinging, and sliding down playground equipment. The narrator comments, "Recess is a favorite time for everyone. The students get to play and make new friends while enjoying the fresh air." Back in the classroom, Ms. Smith shows the children a fun science experiment. She asks, "Who wants to see a magic trick? Watch what happens when we mix baking soda and vinegar." The children excitedly watch the mixture fizz and bubble. The camera then shows children sitting at tables, enjoying their lunch. The narrator adds, "After a busy morning, it's time to eat. Lunchtime is a great opportunity for students to relax and refuel." Ms. Smith reads a storybook to the class, and the children listen attentively. She finishes the story and asks, "And that's the end of our story. What did you like the most about it?" The children share their favorite parts. "I like the part where the dragon made friends with the knight." The school day ends with children packing their bags, and Ms. Smith saying goodbye at the door. "Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow." The children reply, "Goodbye, Ms. Smith." The camera shows the empty classroom and then transitions to the schoolyard with the sun setting. The narrator concludes, "Another wonderful day at Sunnydale Elementary comes to an end. We can't wait to see what adventures tomorrow will bring. Bye for now." The music fades out and the screen shows the end.